Good afternoon, good morning or good night you guys. So today I thought to bring you on a hair tutorial. My hair, yes, it's currently was curly. I've just brushed it out, so I'm going to quickly hop into the shower. It's going to be about 45 to an hour. And yeah, just take your time, wash your hair with normal products, and I will show you exactly how I get my curls. I also will be showing you how I do my skincare routine, so I will chat to you soon. Hey guys, so as you can see I am in my room. I put my towel hair turban on. So my towel hair turban is actually a lot better. I got this one from Primark. Yeah, it's a lot better. It doesn't pull on your hair. It's just so much less weight on your head. I thought to give you a little skin tutorial, so I'm going to actually flip the camera so you can get more of a better quality how my skin is, because right now, I don't know if you can tell, but I've got quite a lot of acne coming back. This side doesn't seem too bad, but I need to get rid of it on that side, so I'm going to try a few new products and just keep watching for the hair cleansing tutorial. Actually take a deeper look at my skin. I can see that I've got like a few little like blemishes here and things like that, which is annoying, but hey ho, I've got acne prone skin and I can't do anything about it, but I can try and calm it down. So what I have been using recently is the Pixie Rose Tonic. This, it says naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps tone and balance pH, minimize redness, calm skin and rehydrates, replenishes and refreshes. So I usually use this after work. I don't wear any makeup to work at the moment, so this is what the bottle looks like. So I will just, I don't know why I was showing the mirror just then, so I put a little bit on a cotton pad just after a shower. It's so soothing on the skin. Obviously don't press too hard. It's absolutely horrendous, so don't know if you guys can see that, but it is disgusting to say that that stuff was still on my skin. So it kind of like seeps into the skin quite well. And the next thing that I am going to be using is the brightening serum. So this is the vitamin C brightening serum. I think this is from Primark. It was like in a 3-part set thing, but I don't know if they do it anymore, but it's really good for what I use for when I'm shaving my face. Now some people may say, what the hell, why are you shaving your face for? But it's only like the little fine hairs that I get across on my face and stuff like that. So it's one of those things again that helps my skin. I have to be careful obviously around the areas where my acne is, so I don't do too much on that section, but just press it in into your face just like that. And this one again is really cooling. It's a 3-part set. I think you have like step 1, step 2, step 3, but I use the brightening serum more than I do the daily moisturizer. But they smell amazing, smell like oranges, so it's really refreshing. Next thing is this. So I actually got this from Amazon, I want to say. So it came in like a 3-part thing. I gave one to my sister just to see how she was getting on with it, and when I first used it I absolutely fell in love with it. It's just something that is a lot easier, especially in quarantine. I couldn't get my eyebrows done, I couldn't get like the middle bit done, couldn't get my top lip done, so I was actually just like, what do I do? Been reading reviews about this, and as long as you use like a cream or something as your base, then it's really good. So obviously letting that settle, then we are going to go in with that brightening moisturizer, only because we kind of will be shaving it off. So I kind of pump 2 squirts of the vitamin C, and I kind of lather it over the places that I would be shaving in a way. So it looks a bit weird, but I'll show you guys. So get this. It's not too hard. I hope you guys can see this because I'm recording on my phone. So what I'm literally going to do is just shave upwards, and that is it. Like, you don't need that much pressure. It's got little razor blades in there, but they're not sharp. Like, you can use it on your skin, it'll scratch you, but it doesn't hurt. So just be careful, because I have I'll show you here, I have a beauty mark there, and I have accidentally like gone too hard where it's bled. So just be careful when you do your like sideburns or anything like that. But apart from that, you can go full rein on what you want to do. So with my eyebrows, what I like to do is actually lift it up and just get all the sparse hairs that are growing. Just don't want wonky eyebrows. And yeah, so I'll teach you how to do this side. So to make it look more natural, what I do is lift everything up and just basically shave this bit. So it's going to tingle a little bit, so don't be rushed to put any alcohol products on your skin right now. Just let it breathe, let it do its thing, because you don't want to put anything on it as of now, because you've just exposed it. So this is kind of when I start doing my hair. As you guys know, it didn't take me too long, about 5-10 minutes to do that. So what I'm going to do is sort this out. So we're just going to take the turban off, and it's got like a little like an elasticated clip thing, so I'm going to take that off, unwrap it, and just kind of dry your hair like you would normally with a towel. Okay, and we are then going to comb our hair. I have combed it before, so I combed it before I went into the shower, but now I'm combing it again just to get rid of any knots. And I kind of like to part my hair this way as well, so whatever natural parting that I have that comes, I kind of just part my hair that way. So, as you guys may have seen, I have been using the, I'll just get it over here, we have been using the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. It's moisturising and it's a curl activator cream, and that's what I've been using on my hair, and it's actually been making it really luscious, making it really soft as well as keeping my curls in. So the next thing is how I dry my hair, and what I actually use is this. So it's kind of like a curling applicator. You usually get it with all of your hair dryers. I'm just using the Tresemme hair dryer. I've literally had this for years, it's always been the same. So I'm going to dry my hair, and what I'm going to do is hold it, bunch it, swirl it, and I'm kind of going to do it in sections. Brilliant. Anyway, actually that simple. I don't do anything. As you can see, I literally did nothing to my hair. All I did was dry it, and it's gone this crazy and this curly. So I'll put like baby photos of what my hair used to be like, and I've never got it back to that. And this curling activator cream by Cantu has literally made my hair like this. Like, it's unbelievable how it just like springs back into my natural hair, and this is it. So I'm going to hopefully try and get it to how it was. It's still like there's some like bits here which kind of don't curl as well as I would like them, but this is my crazy hair. My boyfriend absolutely loves it. But yeah, I think it's fun, it's nice, it's mad wild. But yeah, what I usually do is kind of just like keep it like this for now, and then what I'll do later is put a little bit of the Cantu serum in before I go to bed, and that's about it. I'm so happy with this. I literally love my curls so much, so thank you Cantu. And yeah, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give it a massive thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you are tuning in every Sunday for a new video. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you for making the Alicia army so strong. We are 52 subs, and yeah, let's try and get to 100 by the end of November. Let's see if we can do that. Absolutely love you guys, and I'll hope to see you soon. Bye.